Hi, welcome to Telugu IT Factory. So today topic advanced Excel topic. Okay, advanced Excel topic. Now onwards we'll see advanced Excel topics. The first topic in advanced Excel is data validation. We'll see data validation. For that, so I have prepared data like this. So I have prepared data like this. So prepare data like this. Then so first topic we'll see, we'll separate this first name and last name into different columns. Okay, so first name in this column and last name another column. So for that, what we have to do is, first we have to insert one empty row. So you have to click on here and right click, then insert. Okay, now this is full name, then we'll write here last name. Okay, last name. Then next, just select this entire data, select this entire data, then click on data tab. Click on data tab. Are you able to see this text to columns? You have to click on text to columns, then this dialog box will be appear. Okay, so text to columns, you have to click on text to column, then it will appear like this. Then don't change anything here, just click on next, just click on next. Then default here it is tab selected, so we have to select like based on our data. So here what I am doing is, in first name last name only spaces are there. Okay, in first name last name only space is there, in between space is there, so we have to select space, we have to select space. Then automatically see here data is changing, right? Data is separating here, right? So now I'm checking this. See, if I select this, automatically data is changing here, separating. Next, click on next. So here also don't change anything, just click on finish. So there is already data here, do you want to replace it? So you have to click on OK. See, first name and last name separated like this, using data validation, like data tab in text to columns, we can separate our first name and last name data. Like this we can do anything. Like suppose now we'll see address column. Okay, address, we have a comma separated is there, right? See, 132 comma Kingston comma New York. So here we have comma, right? So for that you have to select like this. Okay, you have to select entire column, then click on text to columns, then next click on next. So here previously it is space is there, now we have to select comma, now we have to select comma. So here you have to check comma, then click on next. So don't change anything, just click on finish. See, automatically it is changing, right? Automatically data is changed, right? So like this we can separate. Okay, like this we can separate. So now I am here giving all borders. Okay, so like this we can give address 1 here, then address 2. Okay, so if you want to change some colors and give some bold, you have to select. Okay, like this we can, now we can adjust our data like this. Okay, so like this we can do data validation. Here if you want to give this up to here, you have to select like this, then merge and center, it will unmerge, again click on merge and center, now it will adjust, right? Same like this you have to click on like this, select merge and center, again click on merge and center, it will automatically adjust like this. So like this we can do, like this we can separate first name and last name. Okay, now we'll see data validation. Okay, how we'll validate data. So for that I have taken this column names like serial number, name, English, Hindi and Telugu. These are names. Okay, so first we'll give here, so data validation. So here I am selecting some rows, empty rows. So what I am doing is here I will restrict my data. I will restrict my data here using data validation. Suppose name should be minimum 5 letters, maximum 10 letters. Okay, minimum 5 letters, maximum 10 letters. Suppose if I enter 4 letters, it will restrict me, no need to enter some 5 letters. Okay, if I enter 11 letters, so it will restrict. How it will looks like, we'll see. So you have to select like this, then click on data tab. Click on data tab. Are you able to see data validation? So you have to click on data validation. So again select data validation. So now this box will appear here. So here allow field is there, right? Here allow field you have to select, you have to click here. So here what we will see, text length will take text length. So between, so minimum and maximum, minimum 5 characters. Okay, minimum 5 characters, maximum 10 characters. Minimum 5 characters, maximum 10 characters. Just click on OK. Okay, now what I am entering is, suppose I am entering some 4 letters, Lena. Okay, enter. See, it is restricting. The value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So cancel. So what we'll do is we'll give some 5 letters. Okay, so 5 letters, Nicole. Okay, Nicole, these are 5 letters. Enter. So it is taking, right? So we have restricted like minimum 5 letters and maximum 10 letters. Suppose if I entered some 10 letters, okay, we'll enter some 11 letters will enter. Okay, so see, Chandrasekhar Azad I have taken. So just enter. See, it is not taking. We have to give only 10 characters. Okay, so here like this we can restrict our data. Why we use this restriction means, suppose in future, okay, suppose our project requirement, we are working some, we are using some Excel. Okay, in that I have designed like this. I have designed like this, and suddenly I have some other work. So what I have done is I have given this Excel sheet to one of my colleague and told that enter data. Okay, in these cells enter data. Suppose my friend start entering data. So he is entering data. Suddenly he is mistakenly entered some so here only instead of text he entered some like numbers. Okay, then 10 characters other than below 4 characters or greater than 11, greater than 10 characters he entered. In that time it will restrict, it will tell that so you have to enter here text only. So no need to enter here numbers. Like this we can restrict, we can tell to it will tell my colleague like you have to enter like this. So for this reason we will use this restriction. Now we'll see, so this column. Okay, so here we have to enter only numbers. Okay, so for that you have to select some rows. Okay, select, then click on again data tab, data validation, then click on data validation. Here any number, right? So you have to take whole number, whole number. So here also minimum and maximum. Okay, suppose, so between, so here data, in data we have between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Like this we can see. Suppose between, if you take between, you, so click on between minimum. Okay, suppose number minimum We'll take some 5. Okay, maximum some 8. Okay, click on OK. So minimum you have to enter 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have to enter 5 to 8. Between 5 to 8 we have to enter. Okay, so now I'm entering minimum 5, right? So I'm giving 5, so it is allowing. And if I give 8, it is taking. Suppose if I give 10, see, it is not taking. So like this we can restrict our data. So again one more column I am taking. Okay, one more column you can take. Then click on data validation. Okay, data validation. Here you can take in allow field, you can take any value. See, whole number, text, custom. If you want you can customize your, okay, text length, time, date, list, decimals, whole number, any value. So whole number I am taking. So between, okay, between, so here we will take equal to 100. Okay, equal to 100, then only we will enter data. So now I am entering 100. See, it is taking. Suppose 101, so it is not taking. Like this we can restrict our data using data validation. Okay, so like this we can restrict our data. This is about data validation. Okay, thank you.